Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Microsoft Teams and you will click in this page. In this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Microsoft Teams. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.